I believe that at KCM we do not teach finance, but we let these students practice finance. I am Sitaram Dhakal. I am the faculty head of Account, Finance and Investment here at KCM since 2015. Before that, I was visiting faculty from 2011. So I felt that we need to initiate something new. Then we initiated the program called KuberWiz. So KuberWiz program is the program that bridges the gap between classroom practices and real skills. So students in this program inject some 50% equity and 50% debt. त्यसपछि स्टुडेन्टहरूले कुन स्क्रिप्ट कसरी किन्ने के गर्ने त्यो स्क्रिप्ट किनेको ठिक छ कि छैन मसँग कस्तो बायसेसहरु त्यो भन्ने कुराको रियलाइज गर्छ. After that, their investment practice will be judged and evaluated by the capital market industry expert, Semon directors, NEPSE executives and brokers and many other executives from the capital market. I believe that at KCM we do not teach finance, but we let these students practice finance so that they could transform themselves as a professional in the market. We have many courses in finance because undergrad students must need varieties of courses in finance, such as corporate finance and then financial management and instruments, money market and instruments, derivatives. Nonetheless, they also discuss behavioral finance so that under behavioral finance, they can identify their own biases, they can identify their group biases. In my opinion, this is the great place to explore financial concept, investment concept, and this exploration continuously evolve in the market so that they can excel good thing for their life and they can achieve their dreams. And during their BBA program, some of the students have completed their CFA level 1 and nonetheless level 2, and some of the students are completed their CFA courses and awarded Chartered Financial Analyst. CFA को course पछाडि हेर्दा ACCA course पनि यसमा इन्क्लुड गरेको छ र यहाँ जबले BBA जोइन गर्नुहुन्छ उहाँहरूले चाहिँ ACCA को 5 courses in wave. So we have MOU with ACCA and some of the students have already completed their ACCA also. So KCM finance and investment do not only deal about the particular core academic curriculum, it linked with the professional curriculum such as CFA, ACCA, CAIA and FRA. So we do not use 100% lecture method here at KCM because of the technological changes and the new emergence of artificial intelligence in the field of education.